At the core of Jesuit education is there are not always easy answers to things, and that's okay. And we as a group can seek to find that answer.
What we do here is provide an atmosphere for self-discovery.
I want to design ideas to try to get my kids to really understand how to read and write and think and be really good citizens.
I'm very blessed to be working with a community of young men who really care to create something of high quality.
They are surrounded by students who want to be here, and that can be very instrumental in their development.
The most exciting aspect of me coming back to Marquette High was to be in a classroom that I can focus on the whole person. One thing we teach, especially in this day and age, is being present with the person in front of you, to have face-to-face communications, to listen to what the person around you is really saying about themselves. It makes guys think beyond themselves.
A lot of the programs at Marquette High allow students to engage in questions around their own complexities and the complexities of other people.
Given the demographics of Marquette High, it's very much a microcosm. That's exactly what the workforce is going to look like, that's what the universities are going to look like.
Beyond just teaching biology, I get to teach students kind of a deeper level in terms of ethics and morals, and reach them at a place that I might not be able to if it wasn't for the environment here. I think the professional student environment here matches the high expectations that we have, and it helps students rise to the occasion.
A lot of times on the surface, it almost feels like students would be scared off by challenge, but it's actually the exact opposite. When you challenge the students, they very much rise up to those challenges.
I'm going to ask students to do challenging things, but a big part of that for me as a teacher is like, how am I going to help them to do it?
I once had a student come back to me after his first semester of college and say, "Mr. Dillon, I know I complained about how hard your course was, but using your notebook, I got an A in calculus my first semester." It was really nice to have students come back and say, "I'm glad you pushed us so hard, because now in life, I'm ready for more challenges."
Whatever career you get into, you're going to go back to these 4 years at Marquette High, and that's going to be the foundation.
To me, these are the formative years, and this is the time in your life when you really want to make sure that you're getting the right message to your son.